Hello Pilates and yoga lovers. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take to regain life without back pain. Hi, my name is Annie. I'm a physical therapist. I'm literally going to share my entire blueprint with you. So make sure you tune in and pay attention. It has taken more than 14 years to figure this out and fine-tune it. So stop whatever you're doing and take notes. In the previous 3 videos, we talked about why evidence-based at-home therapy method is the best way to regain life without back pain. And I showed you what is neutral spine, extremities flexibility, functional dynamic stretching, and core strength engagement. If you have not seen the first 3 videos, please stop and watch those first because they are filled with awesome and practical information that shows you can get started right now. As we have stated in the previous video, the first step in my evidence-based at-home therapy method is what is neutral spine? It is the natural curvature of our back to keep our posture amazing. Discovering your neutral spine. Without this, permanent relief is just out of reach. Without knowing your neutral spine, your deep spinal muscles will be overworked due to your center of gravity not being in perfect alignment with your body from the top of your head, the crown, all the way to your feet. Knowing and therefore using your neutral spine increases your stability as well as decreasing pressure on your disc, spinal canals, ligaments, and postural muscles, and it will help your posture if you have scoliosis or costochondritis. The next step is core strength engagement through Pilates-based physical therapy. This is the powerhouse of the body that protects our back in everything we do, from simple tasks like putting on clothes to doing recreational activities free from pain. So why is the core important? It is the natural corset to protect our back, and it's important to keep it strong and stable in order to relieve current pain and spasms. We will also need the myofascial release that are effective and easy, that you can do it yourself with confidence. And it is so easy to learn where to touch and place the pressure and the trigger points of your body. This is a method to release back spasm and tightness. And why is it so important? Due to the fascia that holds our body. It's like a shirt that holds our muscles. Limited mobility, it will be more difficult to strengthen without releasing the spasm and tightness. So if you don't want to strengthen in a tight position. So the next one is a functional dynamic stretching through Pilates and yoga fusion. The PNF patterns we call the proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation patterns. This is the evidence base that is proven the strongest movement pattern of our body when we apply it to our daily tasks. And why it is important? If done properly, it will help increase your strength in the movement patterns and flexibility in the functional patterns, movements that we use in our daily tasks, such as doing household chores, picking up something from the floor, putting on your clothes and your shoes without pain, and you will experience something like you never had experienced like before. So those are very important to strengthen in that pattern, and I'll show you that in more detail in my next video. So what is nerve flossing and gliding? That's the next one that we're going to learn together. It is a technique that helps decrease inflammation on the nerve root canals where the nerves come out. It is an amazing glides that our nerves need some gentle stretch. It's almost like flossing on your teeth that helps remove tartar. So when you floss your nerve, it helps decrease the inflammation, the root of the problem, the nerve pain, and support the muscle inflammation through stretching the nerves. And it's an amazing way to decrease the spasms and muscle guarding. And usually with nerve pain, it's burning pain. So it will help decrease the tingling, the numbness, and burning pain. So why it is so important? Because it will really help release all the nerve pain that causes the spasm, the guarding, and the nerve burning pain for most patients with back pain. So the next one is the postural muscle strengthening. Those are type 1 postural muscles, the slow twitch muscle fibers that's always firing to keep our posture. And if this is weak, then it causes poor posture. That is why it will help support deep muscles and joints. Muscles that are type 1, the slow twitch muscle fibers that are more difficult to strengthen. And these muscles are very important to protect our back and improve our posture. These are not the bigger muscle groups like at the quads or the biceps, that fast twitch fibers. So I'll show you what are those muscles are that are very important to keep our posture beautiful. So I cover all this and a lot more in greater detail in my upcoming course, the Back Master Class. I'll show you how you can stretch and lengthen your back safely through Pilates, yoga-based physical therapy, evidence-based treatment plans that are so effective to ease and eliminate current back pain or back spasms, nerve pain, tightness, pain going down the limbs, poor posture. It could be pain going down your arms, legs, hands, and foot, all the way to your fingertips and toes as well. As well as we strengthen your back so that you will be able to have the confidence to move and live your life without the fear of more pain. I will show you how to reboot and restart your life, because most of my patients before don't know where to start in order to be active again and be able to go back to their previous lifestyle. They don't have the proper guidance to start, and usually it gets worse if they just decided to start working out in the gym or just go running or just doing Pilates and yoga, because without the neutral spine, mind-body connection, and proper guidance, injuries happen. I will explain the what, the whys, and especially the hows as I walk you through step by step, hand in hand. I'll hold your hand. So make sure you're on the lookout for when the Back Master Class launches, because this is literally the best information I've ever released through my years of experience. I'm so excited, and I will guide you hand in hand, and will make sure you will get the knowledge, which is knowledge is power, health is wealth, and experience all of my physical therapy, yoga, and Pilates combination secrets for a successful improvement of your back, that you will be in control instead of your back pain controlling your life. And you'll be so excited that you will be doing Pilates and yoga with confidence, knowing you're gonna love them more and more. So please make sure you place your name in the early bird wait list. Just click on the link, fill out the form. All you have to do is enter your name and email address, and your spot will be reserved, and you'll get early access to the program. In the next video, I'll share a specific example with you, and I'll show you what it looks like once you're up and running with evidence-based at-home therapy. I'll walk you through a detailed case study that shows you how you can get the same results once you use my evidence-based at-home therapy video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!